So I don't even know how people even do this. Me, I have to wear it like this because it's red. You guys are just red. Hey guys, what's up? It's your girl Kita here. So I am back with another video, and this one is really fun because it's a back to school clothing haul. I have lots and lots of stuff. Yeah. Oh, can't forget this one. So I'm going to be going through these really quickly. I'm really excited to be partnering with UNiDAYS for this video. So I've been out of school for just a few years now. But I do remember using UNiDAYS back in the day to get discounts on all like my favorite brands. So if you don't already know UNiDAYS, here's how it works. All you have to do is sign up using your university email just to verify that you are a student. And literally once you sign up, you have access to all the stores that they work with, tons and tons of stores. It's really great because just for being a student, you get a discount. I remember back in college having such a limited budget, really trying to maximize my money. Having a program like this was just so great just to get discounts for, you know, getting an education. I mean, it's such a great company. I really enjoy it. So there's Apple on there. So I remember I got the education discount with my laptop, and they have Urban Outfitters, which I love, ASOS. They work with like literally so many different brands. So yeah, if you want to sign up for UNiDAYS, click the link in my bio. If you're a student, literally it's free. You don't have to do anything except sign up with your email, and then you just automatically get access to tons and tons and tons of discounts just for joining. So I really love it. So I'm also going to be doing a giveaway with UNiDAYS. I'm excited about this. You guys are able to win $500 to be able to use from UNiDAYS on all of these websites. So all the details on how you can win are going to be listed in the description box down below. So definitely check it out. Don't sleep. Okay, so I am going to show you a lot of stuff that I got using the discounts as well. If you like hauls, please make sure you give this video a thumbs up and make sure you comment down below which item is your favorite item. I really feel like, you know, if you're going back to school, you can just, you know, grab one of these pieces. So yeah, everything will be linked in the description box, so don't forget to check it out. And yeah, all of these can be translated into school appropriate. Obviously, if I'm wearing a crop top, you just need to, you know, wear a long shirt. But yeah, all right, let's get started. Okay, so I'm just gonna go into this huge bag from ASOS first. Let's go. First things first is this orange jumpsuit. Not jumpsuit, that's not a jumpsuit at all. Tracksuit from Adidas. So you guys already know I love bright colors, and I use tracksuits when I travel all the time because it's so comfortable, and you also look stylish while you're at it. So this is the pants, and this is the matching tracksuit top. Oh my gosh, I'm literally gonna wear this to the airport. Like, wow, this is so nice. And obviously this is great for if you're in school, just something comfortable. Check it out. So this is, oh my gosh, I can't wait to wear this. This is gonna be amazing. I think I might even do like a get ready with me featuring maybe my airport outfit, this one, because this is so great. So yeah, this is beautiful. I can't even. If you've been following me for a while now, you know that I absolutely love jumpsuits. So I got this. It's like a jean jumpsuit, and it's mustard, my favorite color. Can you even? And I like, look at this. It has really wide legs, and it's really durable. It's got these button detail right here. Gives it like a 70s look. Kind of looks like corduroys, but it's not. It's jeans. Woo! I'm obsessed with this. Look at this. Oh my gosh, I can't. I also got these pants. Like, I've been seeing around this trend. It's like having different color stripes on the side of pants. So I saw this and I was like, oh, I love that it's like red, white, and blue. I feel like this could go with lots of different things. You could even go with this shirt I have on right now. Like, oh, snaps. So I really like this, and it's like, it's mom jeans, so it's high-waisted. So, you know, it'll just be covering up. If you've eaten too much, yeah, it'll just help you cover it up. We thank God, you know. So yeah, I'm loving this right now. And it comes with the, and what is this? It comes with the hem rolled up, but I believe you can just roll it back down. So this is a bit different for me because I don't actually wear things like this, but I decided I wanted to venture out of something that I normally wear. So this is a maxi skirt that's striped and it has a slit in the, I think it's on the side. I don't know, but I'm gonna make it work. I also got these chunky shoes, chunky white shoes, which didn't come on time, but I'm thinking of like, you know, doing the chunky shoes with the skirt, with like a little, you know, fun top, maybe tie the waist. Are you really thinking? Are you seeing what I'm thinking? Are you getting it? So yeah, that's what I'm thinking right now. Love this. So another thing that I got that I'm over the moon excited about is this. Can I talk? Is this suit. So it is a green and pink and white striped, it is a green and pink and white striped suit, but it's like silk. I don't know if you can see. So it's really loose. It's not like structured. And then it comes with these pants, which are also the same, like loose, silky. It kind of has like the pajama feel, but you know, not pajamas. You know, we thank God. So I'm really excited about this as well. I'm thinking of wearing these with my chunky shoes as well, or even just Converses and just being different, you know, just like switching it up. So yeah, that's what I'm thinking for this. But I'm loving this right now. Like, so I also got this from ASOS as well. This is just very simple. You know when you just want something that you just want to throw on, you don't have to think about it? That is this. So it is a off the shoulder, and I don't know if you can see the details. Can you see the details? Holes in it. Oh, you really cannot see this. This is actually really unfortunate. Anyway, if you can't see it, I'll try to come up close and like show you. But basically, it has holes in it, and I don't know. It's just lovely. I'm obsessed. And so it's a little romper, and yeah. I also got this orange like scoop neck top. I loved when I saw the buttons. I was like, oh, this is cute. Very casual. You can dress it up, dress it down. I can wear it with like mom jeans and some like Converses and call it a day. So I really like it. And you know, this color, look at this color on my skin tone and tell me something. Can't. Yeah. I also got this green jumpsuit that I can't even, I feel like I have to put it on for you guys to see it because this doesn't even make any sense the way I'm even holding it. But it is amazing. I love it. I love it. I love it. And it just, look at this color. Are you seeing this? Last but not least from ASOS is this mustard. Or is this mustard? I feel like I'm just calling everything mustard. It's more like orange. But this like orange maxi dress, I like it because it's just so flowy. Like it's like that chiffon material. And it has a slit on the side. I love this. And basically you're able to tie the top. So I don't know if you can you imagine this on. Look at it. So yeah, it's just really flowy and beautiful. Beautiful. Okay, so that's all I've got from ASOS. So next we're gonna move on to Urban Outfitters. Get it? So, oh my gosh, this is my favorite piece in this entire haul whatsoever. And it's different from anything I've ever worn. So it's this cropped sweater. Like I can't even tell, maybe am I wilding? Like is this not even that nice and I'm just playing myself? No, but literally it's this, I love the color, the pattern. It reminds me of something that I would thrift, and then it basically is just cropped and like cinches in the waist. Like come on. Another thing I got from Urban Outfitters is this beanie. Like I'm wilding because what am I doing with this? But I don't know, like maybe are we gonna talk about it? Obviously I would have to like put it on correctly, but even that was even cute. Like it's like I got this super duper cute jeans. Okay, like what? Okay, so it has holes in it, and I honestly, so you know, I'm Nigerian, if you didn't already know, and I just know my mother would not even understand how I could pay money for this kind of pants, like basically rags. But I love it, and I can't even deal. So yeah, I got these pants. and they're high-waisted mom jeans. Love, love, nothing but good things to say about them. I also got these jeans as well. They are also really, really big and wide leg, and they're just such a different feel. I can't. Look at it. Like, and I love the buttons, and I love that it just like covers up. Come on. You guys know. You know what I'm talking about. This is my new style. That whole like bohemian vibe. That's what I'm talking about right there. So my last two things. Oh, actually no, I got these two as well. Ah! Okay, so let me talk about these glasses. So I'm hopping on a trend. I'm hopping on a trend, guys. Don't even try to blame me. But basically, this. Look at that. You know those like half glasses that everyone's wearing now? I just felt like, you know, you just gotta try it. So is this even nice? I literally am only seeing red. So I don't even know how people even do this. Me, I have to wear it like this because it's red. You guys are just red. I can't even see anything. I can't live life like this. So this is how, you know, it's gonna be like super retro. Just only gonna look from above because it's red. It's normal. It's red. So, so yeah, this is really nice though. Like this is really red though. Like why would anybody want to look and be looking out like this? I don't even understand. I also got this. It's like brown, I think. Like, yeah. This one makes sense. Like I can look through this. The world is not like, it's just a, it's like a, it makes everything look like it's sepia. So that's not bad. So yeah. So I got two more things from Urban. So I've got this crop top, which is super like form-fitting, which I literally don't even have to wear a bra with it because it's just so tight and nice. So I got this, and it has really, really strappy straps. So I don't know, it just looks really, really cute, especially on the back. I'm obsessed, love it. And then I also got this. It's also kind of like a crop top. Actually, no, it fully is a crop top. And then you just tie it in the middle. Like so, just tie it like that, and it's that retro print again. Like it's not polka dot, but then it's polka dot. I don't listen to me. I don't know how to explain. But basically, I like this because I feel like I could wear it with my mom jeans. You know, tie the waist and call it a day. Yeah. So that's all I got. Hopefully, before you're going back to school shopping, you can just get on UNiDAYS. It's free. It's so easy to join as long as you have your university email address. And then you can grab some discounts from ASOS or any of these companies, Urban Outfitters. They have it on Adidas, Apple. So yeah, don't miss out on savings. I love savings. Like that's, you guys know I'm always talking about thrifting and saving. Listen, you're already students, so you might as well grab your savings while you're already shopping on some of the websites that you already love. There's Boo. I just remember there's Boohoo on there as well. Like just some really, really great websites. So check it out, guys. Let me know which pieces are your favorite. I'm obsessed with all the mom jeans. I told you I love that crop sweater, and I'm also just, you know, jumping on a bandwagon and loving those, like, you know, half glasses, you know. But all right, I'm gonna go. Have to get ready. I'm about to head out. But hope you liked this video. If you did, like I said, give it a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell so you don't miss anything. And yeah, don't forget to enter the giveaway because you can win $500. So I mean, hey, $500 for shopping. I think that is a good prize. Make sure you head over to my Instagram so you can watch the lookbook of me styling these items as well. So yeah, all right, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.